안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Okay, welcome to our lesson 9. And lesson 8, we learned about family. So, for this lesson, we will learn about the house, the home, where family resides. Okay, so our first word would be home or house, where family lives in. Okay, and is this called 집 in Korean? 집. Okay, one more time. 집. Okay, this is house or home. Okay, next up is the entrance. It's called 현관. 현관. Okay, not 현관. Okay, it's 관. 현관. Okay, be careful of this 관, not 간. 현관, the entrance, doorway. Okay, next up, hallway. Hallway is called 복도. 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 Hallway. Okay, next up is room. Room is called 방 in Korean. 방. My room. 내 방. My room. 내 방. Your room. 너 방. 방 is room. Okay. Fantastic. Next one is living room. Living room is 거실. 거실. One more time. 거실 is living room. Okay. Next one. Bedroom is 침실. 침실. Like when you say the word chimney, it's that 침실. 침실. Okay? And my favorite place, kitchen. I love cooking. So, is 부엌. 부엌. So when we were learning the consonant vowel, the ok, this is kiuk, but as I've told you, the pronunciation with as the kiok, the g is same. So pretty much 부엌, 부엌 sounds the same. Just for your reference, okay? So 부엌 is kitchen. All right, next one. Library is 서재. Well, not every household has library. 서재. 서재, library. Okay, moving on. Oh yes, every household has this. Bathroom or restroom for some other country. They call it a restroom or toilet. 화장실. 화장실. Let's try one more time. 화장실. Okay, so if you do travel to Korea or come to Korea, 화장실 is a word that you should know because you'll need it. Okay. Okay, 화장실, bathroom. Next one, balcony, 베란다, 베란다, 베란다 is balcony. All right. Okay, next one is basement, 지하실, 지하실. One more time. 지하실 is basement. Okay, very good. Let us wrap up and review for the list. Okay, so we have 집, which is house or home. 현관, which is the entrance. 복도, hallway. 방, which is room. 거실, living room. 침실, bedroom. 부엌 is a kitchen. 서재 is a library or the study room. 화장실 is bathroom, restroom, toilet. 베란다 is balcony. 지하실 is the basement. Perfect. Okay, moving on. Ceiling. Ceiling is 천장 in Korean. 천장. One more time. 천장. Okay, next one is floor. Floor is 바닥. 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 One more time. 바닥 is floor. Good. Next one. Roof is 지붕. 지붕. 지붕 is roof. Okay. Now we have window. 창문. 창문. One more time. 창문 is window. Okay. Now we have stairs. Stair, 계단. 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 Okay. Next one. Yard is 마당. 마당. 마당 is yard. Very good. Okay, let us review the second part. 천장, ceiling, 바닥, floor, 지붕, roof, 창문, window, 계단, stair, 마당, yard. Okay, and our last set. Let's take a look. Oh, the furniture. So we have, first of all, bed. In Korean, we call it 침대. 침대. 침대 is bed. Okay, next one. 의자, which is the chair. Chair is 의자. 의자. Okay. 의자. The next one will be the table. 식탁. 식탁. Like 식탁. Table. Okay, and desk is 책상. 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 Okay, and sofa, we call it sofa. Sofa is sopa. Sopa. Okay. Television or TV. TV we call it TV. Television we call it 텔레비전. 텔레비전. So the difference is like television, but in Korean it's like 텔레비전. Has that more that J sound. 텔레비전. But if you just say television, I'm sure they'll understand. Okay, it's just the Korean way of saying television. TV. Okay, but not for refrigerator. Okay, refrigerator we call it 냉장고. 냉 actually means cold, so 냉장고. 냉. Let's try one more time. 냉장고. 냉장고. That's refrigerator. Okay. Cabinet is 장롱. This is a little bit, could be a little bit tricky. 장롱, like long. 장롱. 장롱. Okay. Are you following well? Okay. Next one. Shelf. Shelf. 선반. 선반. One more time. 선반 is shelf. All right. Let us review all the furnitures. 침대 is bed. 침대. 의자. chair. 의자. chair. 식탁. table. 식탁. table. 책상. desk. 책상. desk. 소파. sofa. 소파. sofa. 텔레비전. television. 텔레비전. television. 냉장고. refrigerator. 냉장고. refrigerator. 장롱. cabinet. 장롱. cabinet. 선반. shelf. and 선반. shelf. Okay. So we took a look at many different types of furnitures and areas of the house and so forth. Okay, so hope you had enjoyed the lesson. So we will meet you in our next lesson. Okay, 감사합니다. 수고하셨습니다. 안녕히 계세요.